Are you wondering what are the best essential oils for calming dogs? I'm going to share the top 3 essential oils, and hang with me till the end. I'm going to share an amazing cheat sheet that you're going to love. In it, I take the guesswork out of knowing which essential oil to use for 99% of health issues that pop up. If you're looking for natural tips and tricks from somebody who makes essential oils really simple, follow me and you'll be notified anytime I make a new video. Hi, I'm Monica and I've been using the essential oils for over 7 years. And when I first got started, I was kind of confused and struggling to figure out which oils to use for myself and my pets. In fact, when we brought home our baby daughter, I had some anxious Italian greyhounds that I could not get them to calm down, and I actually had to give them away, which was really, really hard. And we gave them to a family member, so it was, it was good that they went to a loving home, but it was really sad that they could not calm down, and they actually learned a lot of yapping from being at a boarder. But now I have the essential oils which work like a charm. So let's jump into the top 3 essential oils for calming dogs. Number 1's lavender, and that works on their nervous system just like it does on ours. So it affects that limbic system of the brain, which controls mood, memories, instincts like fight or flight, and can even help release calming hormones. Cesar Millan, the dog whisperer, actually uses doTERRA brand lavender in the show when he's calming dogs. All you need to do is drop a couple drops of that lavender on the dog collar, or you can massage it in the pads of their feet with a couple drops of carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. This is the perfect essential oil for calming dogs when there's fireworks or noises, or they're having trouble adjusting to a new home or situation. Number 2 is Roman chamomile, which is actually one of the most gentle yet powerful essential oils for calming dogs. This works on that nervous system of dogs and people, so actually your whole household is going to get a benefit when you diffuse your Roman chamomile. You want to diffuse this with a door left open so the dog can leave if they choose, and you'll want to use an ultrasonic essential oil diffuser, not a humidifier. Humidifiers are just not built for essential oils, so they can break. Again, just like that lavender, you can put the drops on the collar too, or massage them on the pads of the feet. Your dog is gonna love this. Does this sound doable? Pretty easy, right? Number 3 is frankincense essential oil, and this is actually my top most powerful essential oil for calming dogs. This one is powerfully grounding because it has high levels of alpha-pinene and limonene. So this has an intensely grounding effect, very, very calming, and you can apply this to your own hands, massage it through their fur, again, put it on the collar, pads of the feet, and you'll both get a lot of calming from it. As always, dogs are really intuitive about their body, so watch for their cues. If they get up and walk away, then just try a different oil. And check the comments for the list of essential oils to avoid with dogs. There's very little actual scientific evidence, but we have a few that we generally don't use. You made it to the end, so congratulations. If you found some value in this, subscribe so we can stay connected. And please download my Essential Oils for Family cheat sheet. This is going to help you figure out what to do for 99% of things that pop up for families. It is short and printable, and I think you're really going to get a lot of value out of that. Give your little doggy a hug for me and let us know which of those helped the most.